I've been giving to the Children's Medical Network now practically over 20 years now. Every paycheck I give, every paycheck. I have kids myself. I have 3 boys, and they mean the world to me. When you're out in the world and you have compassion and you just see what other kids are going through, and then you all of a sudden think, what if that was my child? I'm blessed. That's all I can say is I'm blessed. I'm happy to be able to do it.
Go ahead and watch this. This is what your donations are going to help.
When you walk into a room at Living Children's Hospital, you see these hot air balloon stickers on everything, and every single one you see in the hospital is someone giving to Living Children's Hospital through the Children's Miracle Network. Really opened my eyes to understanding the financials that are needed to care for patients and families and how they're filling the gap in that need. I was able to actually write a few grants and work with Children's Miracle Network to get approval for some of those grants. And then a few years later, in those same pieces of equipment that I advocated for that Children's Miracle Network graciously provided for our hospital, my own daughter was using. Elliot has muscular dystrophy. With that brings a lot of different specialties for muscles and lungs and hearts, and she's had hospitalizations because germs are really big when your muscles are really weak. And when it gets to a certain level, then we get to spend quite a lot of time in the hospital. We've walked this road with a lot of families in the clinical realm, and there is just nothing like the amount of empathy and compassion and understanding that you can give a family when you can look at them and say, I understand, I know, I've been there. And it takes your advocacy to the next level, and when you're met with resources that are able to fill that gap, it adds up and fulfills a whole lot of needs, and you never know when you might be the person receiving that care someday on the other end. I am grateful to my fellow coworkers that give what they're able to so that our patients and families and my own daughter can get what they need while they're here in the hospital. And since my daughter benefits from it, the biggest thank you I can give is to show you my beautiful, healthy, amazing daughter thriving because of the giving that comes from the employees here at Living Children's Hospital. It makes me proud to work with teammates who are willing to sacrifice some of their own personal finances to assist, because the day that your own child gets admitted to the hospital and you spin around in the room and see all those little hot air balloons, you know that the reason why that equipment is in there is Children's Miracle Network and your very own coworkers.
Yep, I'm glad. Good. When you see where your money goes, see what the kids have to go through, and then when you see how well they receive these gifts just from you giving to them, if that don't make you smile, I don't know what won't make you smile. I don't. Best thing can happen. Best thing can happen.